Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, July 1st and we are leaving. We're gonna go camping. It's our family reunion time. It's 4:26 and we stopped by McDonald's really quick because we're all super hungry. And then after this, it was only an hour and a half.
We're here! Hey! Out of nowhere. Is this yours? No.
We haven't even set up our tent. We're going
I know,
around
it's
saying
hot,
hi
bro.
to
You
people.
guys should wait.
And it's hot.
Yeah.
I came to say hi to my besties, the workers in the store. They've known me since I was a little girl. Literally, we've been coming here since I was like 2. Also, I remembered that I'm making pasta tonight and I didn't bring Parmesan cheese, so I came to check if they had some, and they did!
I know, that way.
I'm gonna make the Gigi Hadid pasta. I finished. It's currently 11:32. We're filling up our air mattresses.
Your mom wants
Right,
the
chill first
canela.
night. What?
Your mom wants canela.
What's up, y'all?
I looked at it, but I didn't think.
Are you guys fixing our room?
This is Chugi. Gonna go get Ariela and Adrian from.
Morning.
Good morning, It's the first official day.
It's Saturday, July 2nd.
Fuck yeah. We woke up, it's like 9, and we're just gonna eat breakfast and get ready. I'll see what we
Look at the little manguito.
Oh, baby mango. We better go crazy. A little personal ceviche.
No, I only wanted us at the end. You
Sockets are open, the knuckles are pale. Feels like you're dying, yeah. This house is on fire.
We're ready!
We're going on a boat.
Yeah!
She's gonna go on the tube.
Fuck yeah, man!
And she's gonna flip over. I just came in and went in the water.
Yeah, they're going.
It's you and me, ay, it's what you need, ay.
That was great.
You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go.
hurt. My eye took all the impact though. I couldn't even open it. I put my hair up. Is my eye red? I can't tell. She a little glossy. She a little injured. Hi, Luna. Luna Castrejon right here.
Emmanuel!
Okay, we're kind of just chilling right now. Where is he? Manuel! They're calling you! Come get your dog! Come get your rascal! Manuel, take your dog! I'm taking it. Okay, right now we're just chilling. People are eating, people are playing. I'm gonna go shower in a little bit because I'm done for the day. It's cold.
Emma, do you want me to wait to shower with you? You can shower, not shower.
We're still here in line for the shower. But the boat parade's going on, so I want to show you guys. Hi guys. It's 9:40 right now and I just got out of the shower. Everybody kind of just finished showering and we're just chilling. Because I like their lights. I put my hair in a pony so it wouldn't get too ugly while I sleep. It's 11:44. Dude, I never get this tired this early. Like, going to bed before midnight at camping